Chickens are remarkable soil engineers. They love to forage for insects and weeds, and their potent manure adds to the fertility of the soil. Their natural scratching and pecking behavior aerates compacted earth, incorporating organic matter and sequestering carbon into the soil. In this video, I document the process of relocating one of our flocks from a silvopasture setting into the annual production gardens, where they will continue to improve soil, cluck happily, and lay eggs. For the past few weeks, this flock has been periodically rotated through fresh areas of this managed woodland. This practice is called rotational grazing and gives the chickens access to fresh, good quality pasture and prevents overgrazing of any one area. In the silvopasture, the trees provide shade and diverse habitat, while the chickens control pests and weeds, cycle nutrients, and improve the soil. By integrating chickens into agroforestry systems, we are creating mutually beneficial relationships that more closely resemble natural systems. This practice builds food security and climate resilience into our community and is a great demonstration of sustainable and ethical land management. Toward the end of our short growing season, the chickens are loaded into a truck and moved into the nearby production garden, where many annual crops have already been harvested. In this case, we're starting them in an area that produced carrots and onions, and now contains mostly weeds and some beautiful tithonia, which will provide shade and diverse habitat. It takes several truckloads to move the flock to their new home. We have to move calmly to create as little stress as possible during their relocation. Once the chickens are moved, they immediately get to work, tilling the soil, munching on pests, and adding nutrient-rich manure. This process improves the soil and prepares the beds for next season. It also makes for some very happy chickens. It's always nice to see happy animals that are curious and excited to explore their new pasture. Once the chickens have scratched and foraged their way through this area, which will take several days, they will then be rotated into an adjacent grazing cell further down the garden. Portable electric fencing and lightweight shelters make this an easier move. Our other animals are moved in a similar way. The sheep are rotated through fresh pasture often, sometimes daily, while a second flock of chickens follow close behind. This multi-species rotational grazing over short intervals stimulates growth and rapidly builds soil, leading to a healthy and diverse pasture. The pigs are rotated through silvopasture, where they convert food waste back into food for humans and deposit nutrient-rich manure. They disturb the soil by digging around for grubs and other treats and are moved frequently to new areas so that their impact is beneficial, not detrimental. In the forest garden, pigs and then chickens prepared the area for a perennial food forest of trees and shrubs. By integrating livestock with other areas around the farm, we not only increase overall productivity, but also create more sustainable and ethical land management systems. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something. If there's anything you want to see in more detail, or if you have any questions or anything, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. And I hope to make some more videos sometime soon. Hope you have a good one.